Okay, it's going. Say hi.
Hi. Hello, America. Hello, America. Hi.
Hi.
Yay!
Hi. Hi. Oh, that's so cute. Hi. Hi. Kevin points to Gryffindor. Stupid. You're doing like freestyle.
One thing, that one thing. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the night train going anywhere. Just a sunny boy, born and raised in South Detroit. We're videotaping this.
Oh, are you going to bed already?
Good night.
At
Summer.
8?
Hey, Summer. You ready to go to bed?
Good night.
Wait, hold on. I gotta go tuck her in.
I can hear you whispering. Pretend to go to bed.
Baby. Okay. Good night.
Oh, now I can't see anything.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's better.
This is our room.
This is going on YouTube, by the way, so.
What? I'm not in it. I'm not in it. If it's going on YouTube, I'm not in it.
Oh, somebody's got stage fright.
Oh, I'm not.
Okay.